Welcome to Everbot. Let's kick things off. What actually is model quantization? And how does it let us run a powerhouse like LLM 3 on smaller devices? Think of it as a compression trick for an AI's brain. Instead of forcing the computer to process heavy, precise 16-bit or 32-bit decimal numbers, quantization rounds them off into small, neat 8-bit or 4-bit numbers. The result? The entire model instantly becomes way smaller and faster. For LLM 3, this is huge because it drops the required video memory, VRAM, to a fraction of its original size. You completely bypass the need for an expensive, high-end graphics card. By trading away a tiny, unnoticeable bit of accuracy, you unlock an insane boost in speed, making giant AI practical enough to run straight off your everyday laptop. As we run this, look at step 1 on the screen. The computer is building a simulated AI layer with 1 million long decimal numbers, which represent the AI's memory. In step 2, the code runs the quantization trick to round those complex decimals down into simple 8-bit whole numbers. Then, step 3 instantly calculates the exact math of how much storage space both versions take up. And finally, step 4 prints out everything automatically into a clean final memory report. Our original model layer took up 3.81 megabytes. But after our rounding trick, that exact same layer drops straight down to only 0.95 megabytes. This proves quantization cuts our memory requirement by exactly 75.0%. A real model like Llama 3 has 8 billion weights. Uncompressed, it is too heavy and will freeze a normal laptop. But by making the data 4 times lighter, quantization lets us fit that entire brilliant AI model right onto everyday consumer hardware to run completely offline. Thank you all for watching and see you on our next video.